everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another what I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these videos since the summer, so I'm very excited to get this new year started with more what I eat in a days. I'm actually trying the Whole30 challenge. My personal trainer put me on this, so for the next 30 days I'm going to be eating very healthy and clean, so hopefully I can get you inspired in this video as well. So I'm just starting out by getting all my ingredients out of the fridge, and every morning I like to start with a huge glass of water, but more recently I've been doing warm lemon water. I hear this has a lot of amazing benefits. Warm water in general is just really great for your body, but adding the lemon will kind of boost your energy in the morning, give you some vitamin C, calcium, potassium, all that good stuff, and it just tastes really good. So I kind of just stir this and kind of sip this throughout the morning until I'm ready to eat breakfast. Normally I don't finish this huge glass, so I will actually just drink it during my breakfast as well. So when it comes to breakfast time, I like to eat whenever I'm hungry. So today it was 10:30 a.m. and I decided to make this kind of egg scramble hash. I don't really know what to call it, but I'm starting off with just chopping some of my mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes in this. My knife was really dull at this point, but I love cherry tomatoes because they just kind of burst in your mouth whenever you bite into them. So now I'm moving on to my stove. So I'm just adding a little bit of avocado oil. I really like cooking with avocado oil because it adds some nice healthy fats. I am just sauteing my mushrooms with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder, and then adding in my tomatoes in there as well until they get nice and soft. And then I add a bunch of spinach. I love spinach, so I probably added about 2 cups here. And then once that kind of wilted, I added some eggs. So I'm just using 2 eggs, and I'm just gonna leave them in here. Sprinkle a little bit of some tahine on top, which is like my favorite kind of spice flavor thing. And then I just cover it and let it kind of steam in there till the eggs get nice and cooked. And I'm just making my breakfast smoothie, my green smoothie, to go along with it. I do have a recipe on this, so I will have it linked down below. It's in my meal prep video from last week. And then here is the finished product. I added an avocado right beside it just to add some nice healthy fats. I poured myself some green smoothie, and there is my lemon water. And of course, I cannot eat eggs without hot sauce, so I'm just adding some Frank's Red Hot, which is Whole30 approved. So this was delicious. I highly recommend you try this. And of course, you can cook the eggs however you want. If you want them more runny, you can totally do that too. But this is just my personal preference. So now at 2:30 p.m. I got a little hungry, so I decided to make my lunch. So for this lunch I made a salad, and actually I used my meal prep. If you guys want to see this exact recipe, I'll have it linked down below. It's in the same video as the green smoothie, but I meal prepped some chicken and roasted broccoli and sweet potato, and instead of just eating it like this, I decided to add more greens into it, so I made it into a salad. So I'm just taking out my spinach, and I also added some avocado and cucumber to this recipe as well. So I'm just chopping up or slicing my chicken, and I'm going to be warming it up on a pan. You could warm it up in the microwave as well, but I just didn't want to put it in the microwave, so here I am warming it up on the pan, and then I just kind of covered that so it could heat through properly. So for my actual greens, I put probably about, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 cups of spinach. And then for the dressing, all I did was put half a lemon, just kind of squeezed half a lemon juice in there, and poured over some olive oil. I might have added a little bit too much of this, but I mean, olive oil is really great for you anyway, so it's okay. And then I just sliced up my cucumber, added that on top, and then did the same thing with my avocado. I just used half an avocado because I find the full one is just a little too much for me, so I just saved the other half for breakfast the next morning. And then I just top it all off with my warm chicken and vegetables and kind of mix this through. I like that this salad is a little more warm. I don't know, warm foods just make me feel a little more make it feel a little more hearty, especially for the winter time. For dinner time, it was around 6:30 when I felt a little hungry, but I was kind of too lazy to make dinner, so I opted for a Lara bar. This one is the apple cinnamon flavor, and this is actually Whole30 approved. This is a really great, I don't know, kind of meal replacement. I don't use it as a snack because you're technically not supposed to snack too much on the Whole30, but as you can see, all the ingredients are just dates, almonds, dried apples, walnuts, raisins, and cinnamon. So it's very, very great for you, gluten-free, dairy-free, all that kind of free stuff, and this is what it looks like. So this kind of just kept me satisfied towards the end of the night, and I slept early this night. I think it was around like 9:30 or 10 that I went to sleep, so this kept me full. So yeah, that's the end of this what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you like my what I eat in a days, give it a big thumbs up and I will do more for you, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!